In this lesson, challenge your team to build a bridge between two surfaces. Use a large sheet of paper to draft the design of your bridge. Using Strawbees and straws, you can build the beams and joints. Make both sides of the bridge and combine them together. Assemble a 3D architectural model and check the joints to make sure they are structurally sound. Put your bridge to the test and use a weight to see what happens.